Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to today's Dogecoin video update. And we've seen Dogecoin actually making some movements to the upside, and Dogecoin has a technical target to come up to 10390, and I've previously talked about this one. The reason why you do have is that you do have this pattern here you just broke out of, and if you talk about that pattern, the technical target is still pending, which is up here to 10453, and you can actually see Dogecoin continuing up like this all the way for a 20% move to the upside, which is actually a target that is pending right now. So let's dive into the 4-hour time frame and let's see what is happening on the shorter time frame right now. Now, first of all, you do have some sort of a 3 white soldier that is being put right here. If you were to retrace to the downside, this could offer another amazing entry opportunity down here, because this is a level that I think you can actually come down to backtest right on the 4-hour time frame. So you can actually come down a little bit to 8117, and if this can offer an amazing entry right now, so from there to there you might be looking for a continued 26% move to the upside. So I do expect Dogecoin to retrace a little bit down here, touch this line, and then maybe move up to that technical target. Now if you however try to come down and take out 7565, then I think that's going to be the end of this expectation, because that's going to be the lowest part of these 3 white soldiers, these 3 candles back to back that you already see right here. And that's pretty much it for this quick update right now. I'm going to see you in the next one. Hello, Hafiz.